What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to yet another video. My name is Kevster and I'm glad to have you guys here as always. First and foremost, I hope you're all doing well despite these crazy times that we're going through right now. Secondly, this video is going to be a little product review unboxing for you guys on something that you may want for your car. So let's get to it. Alright, so right here in front of me we do have a package that was shipped out by LastFit. Again, thank you so much guys for sending this my way for a review. And if you haven't heard of who LastFit is, they do specialize in automotive lighting. In my case, I am running their LED fog lights and also some interior LED bulbs. So I said they specialize in automotive lighting, and you might be asking yourself, well, what's that big old box right in front of us? Well, I'll show you. So this is their new product line. Alright, so we do have some floor mats. Let's get these out of here. Alright. So let me get this up in the packaging and then I'll show you guys up close and personal.
Alright, so these will be for the back. Another back piece. Let's lay it down here. And the main one's up front, obviously. Right over here.
Alright, so now that they're all out of the packaging, quick first look at the mat itself. Here we go. This will be the driver's side, passenger side, front, and the rears. Right. So quick first impressions, they look great in my eyes. They are all season floor mats, as you can tell. They feel great. I mean, they don't feel cheap, they're not light, they have some good weight to them. Alright, enough talking, let's go ahead and put it in the car and see how well it all fits. Alright, so the interior is a little dirty, but I have been running the HFP red floor mats. Again, huge shout out to my homie Jeffrey for giving these to me a couple months back. So yeah, let me just do a quick pan of how these look right now in here, that way you guys can get a comparison from these to the LastFit ones. I love these, but as you can see, they get quite a bit dirty. As long as you're on top of it and try to clean it, it won't get that bad, but as you can tell, it's been a while since I've actually cleaned it. Alright, and in goes the LastFit floor mats.
Hi.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Why do you have a camera?
Because I'm recording.
For what?
For YouTube? You know what YouTube is?
No.
No? Okay. You're too young. Alright, and just like that, they're in the car. This one locked in perfectly. I'm having a little hard time getting this twist and lock. As far as fitment goes, I'll have you guys be the judge, but I think it's pretty good. Now let's go ahead and see how the rest fit in the car. Passenger side going in. Let's see here. Alright, good. Ooh, yeah. Alright, and this is how the passenger side looks. Looks pretty good if you ask me. Rears actually fit very well, very precise fitment. Don't know if you guys can get an idea. Lines up perfectly. So, according to LastFit, these floor mats will fit a 2016 to 2020 Honda Civic sedan, hatchback, Type R. They don't seem to have anything yet for the coupe, so if you're watching this, keep in mind that these are only meant to fit sedans or four doors at this time. And if you guys are also here watching and don't have a Honda Civic yourselves, they do have other cars that they make this for, so please check out their website to see if they make one for yours. Okay, so my final thoughts on the floor mats itself. I love how they look and they fit so well, like so good. And again, that's the beauty behind the 3D scanning that they conducted to make sure that it'll fit all the cars that they offer this floor mat. They offer these floor mats for. So I'll leave everything down in the description, the product link, and just maybe Last Fit's info. That's all I have to say. Thank you so much, Last Fit, again, for sending these out to me for a review. And guys, as always, if you enjoy the video, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more content in the future. As always, my name is Kevster. I'll see you guys next time.